Just like a good man leaves an inheritance to the children of his children. That's the thought that has always been challenge, challenging me in all forms. Now, I talk to people usually that when it comes to vision, right, there are three things that you want to do. The first thing is to create that mental picture of your preferred future. The second thing that you want to do is to have the conviction, and I say build the conviction that you deserve it. And the third thing that you want to do is to make sure that you have the strategies to bring that vision to life. Now, guess what? I got my man Spencer right there. He's gonna bring a great strategy on the March 9 or April 9, right?
Yeah.
April 9, Spencer is gonna bring that practical part with something that he's gonna introduce to you now.
Yeah. So hi everyone. My name is Spencer, and on April 9th, I am going to be teaching you how to make, use, and sell NFTs as a means of passive income, which you could then use to build generational wealth for yourself. I'm a huge advocate for cryptocurrencies, using cryptocurrencies as the biggest wealth transfer for our generation. So I would like to show you how you can get ahead of the curve and make some money for yourself while having fun.
Yeah, listen quick guys. So two parts. I'm gonna teach you, coach you about the vision. I'm gonna make sure that your mind is right at the right place, the right position. And then Spencer is gonna give you that practical part. We're gonna do it the same day. So
Yeah.
what do you guys say? Let's go.
All right. Cheers, everyone. See ya.